It's your girl Queen, reminding you guys to connect with us on patreon.com/TMG Fam, where you can get full exclusive access to all content, bonus videos, behind the scenes, vlogs, lives, and so much more.
What's good, TMG Fam? It's your boy L and the Queen. We back with another reaction video, man. How y'all feel? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to BTS Hour officially right now. Listen, man, I know y'all was like, yo, they hit us with one earlier, plus they gonna give us one tonight.
Every now and then, we just like to do a little something extra.
Little something. All right, so listen, tonight we got for you, man, is J-Hope Airplane music video, and we got the BTS funny encore moments again, all right? I think the first one we reacted to is part 2. I think this one may be part 1, all right? So we're gonna get into these two joints right now. Shout outs to everybody. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And turn on your post notifications, hit that bell.
Absolutely.
And let's get to it. Uh-oh.
What did you do?
I started off with the, I meant to start the music video, my bad. Here we go.
He's not focused. Yes. Yes. Can we turn it up a little bit?
It's not, trust me.
Can I turn it up a little bit more? I can't feel it. Okay, fine.
It's gonna mess up the edit.
Oh, okay.
그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나무 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그 에어플레인 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나무 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그 에어플레인 아직도 난 안 믿겨 광주 토박이의 비행사 매겨 높고 높았던 꿈의 자리에서 아름다운 세상 wil나고 있어 눈 닫게 쳐다본 해때 느낀 슬레임 아직도 생각해 그게 내 꿈을 이루게 지금을 만들게 everywhere 이젠 네 슈에 플래시 터질 때 안전한 도착의 축복을 담을게 그때 나를 다시 기억해
It's awesome.
Listen,
like this whole video is dope.
This is definitely one of them club bangers. You play in the club.
그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나무 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 이젠 원 없이 날아 에어플레인 누군가도 나를 개혁해 그 누군가도 듣지도 외롭게 hey yeah 신경 안 써 그저 웃게 돼
Hey, I'm still moving. And my head.
Laugh at it. Oh my God, you gotta give my baby some props. He is so freaking adorable. Okay.
My head's still moving when you cut it off. I was still in it. Hit the button. Hit the button. Let's go.
Okay.
구름 위를 매일 구름 위에 내필 구름 위에 jacket 구름과의 케미 구름과 하루 종일 구름 타는 재미 구름 보면 fading 너희 몰라 maybe 몇 년 동안의 비행 탓을 말리지만 마시마들 못 이룬 너희들을 위로해줄 때야 그 비행 포인트로 선물할게 Love airplane mode 신경은 다 off 그 누구든지 뭐라던 그저께서 first를 지키며 밤하늘을 볼게 지금 내 자리에만 그때 나를 다시 기억해
Oh my God, that is fire right there.
I
don't know if
airplane mode too.
I don't know if that's like a background or just I don't know how they do that, but that's fire.
그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나무 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 그때를 생각해 이 에어플레인 누군가는 나를 기억해
One thing I was missing that I look for whenever I watch something of J-Hope, is like him to do like a break and for a dance scene to come in. Like he's such a talented dancer.
Yeah.
I be looking for it every single time for him to give her like that, the breakdown and the beat, and for him just to go crazy with the dance moves. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
That's the only thing. I guess that's just me being a selfish fan.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
It is.
You gonna say it like that? Like you don't be.
Yeah, because my baby can only give you what he can give you. And what he gave right then was some top notch stuff.
I get it.
You know
I
what I'm
get it.
saying?
I get it.
Yes,
I get it. I was just being a selfish fan though.
Exactly.
Let's get it though. BTS funny encore moments.
Y'all think Jim is gonna be in here falling? I'm thinking so.
Yo, I thought they was gonna take it and like throw it into the crowd or something. He taking it and chugging it. Yeah.
He's not gonna finish Yo, so why does J-Hope and Jungkook's outfit look like pajamas? Comfortable pajamas that I would want.
They do though.
Okay, I'm done.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Yo, V just be he the hype man.
Exactly.
He
He's like,
hyping
yo, let's
everybody
do it,
up,
let's do it,
hyping
let's
everybody
do it.
up. V just be hyping everybody up for his amusement though. Again, V always.
He reminds me like when he was a baby, he was just that happy baby all the time.
Always in the mix.
You know, just always just laughing and just bouncing everywhere, and you just like, oh, it just comes now.
Jen is still back there just running, doing it. Somebody put on the screen treadmill. With the award, just off to himself, just chilling. Yo, Suge just the cool,
he's the
laid
one that's
back.
focused and be like, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. He's like, okay, we did it.
Sugar still holding the award.
Yeah.
너의 거친 걸 잘 알고 있어 이건 나를 벌받게 해줘
It said, please protect them.
Baby, 취해도 돼 이제 널 들이켜 위스키, 그 위스키 마지막을 다 가져가
He about to almost caused the riot, right?
Yes,
you
he
see
did.
that?
You
See that
see
security?
that? Hey,
that security
the
had to
fact.
step up, but he wasn't enough. If them girls really wanted to get to him, that
It's been
security didn't
done.
stand a chance.
We would have never seen this video like this.
우리 기억해.
눈물도 기억해. 걸 잘 알고 있어 sweeter than sweet. Chocolate cheesesteak, chocolate wings.
Notice RM has a dimple.
Yeah.
I did not think. Oh my gosh. That award has him just captivated. He's just like, oh my gosh.
Yo, Sugar, and that when he get an award, he really be like, yo.
He's happy.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, they didn't give him no award. Give him a minute to just, you know.
Yeah, you gotta give Sugar his time. And everybody knows it, so they respect
award,
it.
They just want to go on. He's like, well, wait.
Like, we work hard for this. Yo, RM is a trip, bro.
Had a moment. What did they do with
Yo, man. Between V and Sugar.
Listen, that's why I love them all, you know?
Yo, they was wild in this video, man. Sugar was just focused. Like, y'all do what y'all doing.
Exactly. He's so like to himself and is in his own zone.
V was like, oh, I'm hyping everybody up.
All the time.
Getting y'all hyped up right now.
Like,
listen, y'all get at us in the comment section. Let us know what y'all thought of this joint right here, man. The funny encore moments plus J-Hope Airplane.
Oh, yes.
Incredible.
Yes.
Get at us, subscribe if you're new. Make sure you hit that like button, the notification bell when you subscribe if you're new as well, all right? It's your boy Ellen Queen, man. Until the next reaction video, we out. Peace, y'all. Stay solid. Hey.